Welcome back to the channel, friends. Srikant here. This is Kandhamal District of Odisha, one of the beautiful district surrounded by hills, tribal villages and full of scenic beauty. So I came to my sister's place, Baliguda, and here I will spend couple of days, and I will take you through few places nearby. So one by one, let's start our journey. I will keep you posted. The first place we will explore is Sura Valley, Dhabaswara Shiva Temple. It's just 3 km from Baliguda town, and it will take hardly 5 to 10 minutes to reach here. To reach the temple, you need to cross a small river, and during monsoon it's difficult to reach to the temple because you need to cross the river. So let me show you a aerial clip of the entire place. It looks really nice and it is so close to the town, and after that we will proceed. As you saw, the temple is a temporary arrangement, and yeah, it is gaining popularity a bit, so hopefully it will be developed. But the place is really nice. It's pretty calm, cool, nobody is around, beautiful place. Okay, so hope you like the aerial clip as well as the cinematic shot, and we will proceed to our next destination. There is a dam. Once I will reach there, I will update you. Aishman like this kind of place very much because it is his kind of place. What, Aishman?
Yes, there are lots of stones and sticks here, so I throw them all. So, water floats in the water, no?
Yeah. And now we need to cross this river, Aishman. Will you be able to do that?
Yes.
Yeah?
While came, I did it, no? While going also I can do it.
Yeah. We reached the next destination, Goyhar Dam. It looks very beautiful. See, we'll go a little close to the water and see. And Aishman, do you like it?
Yes, I liked it. I liked it so much.
You want to play in water?
Yes.
If you'll allow Aishman, he will definitely want to jump into the water for sure. He just need a life jacket, that's all. There is a temple around, and this is close by, just 1 kilometer from here. We need to climb few steps to reach to the top, but the panoramic view from the top definitely will be nice. So let's go there. We reached Dhabaswara Temple, so we need to climb a bit. There are few steps, as you see. Okay, so let's go. Aishman, you want to count? You started already or you forgot?
Started.
Aishman started, so he will let us know how many steps you are climbing, okay? If it is wrong, then Aishman will be punished.
9.
16,
15.
15,
35,
36. So Aishman, you are counting, right?
Yes.
How much steps?
There are 60 steps total.
Okay.
And here lot of snakes are there.
Yeah, because board is also around. Beware of snakes. Obviously the area, how it looks like, right? Definitely snakes will be there.
Because it's like jungle area, no?
Yeah, jungle area, full jungle area. Okay. Okay, now let's, what? You want to say something? Yeah, tell me.
And there are some snake houses also.
Oh, snake houses, yeah. Okay. So we will proceed to the next destination, okay? Let's go. We have reached at last destination of today, Mandasuru Nature Park. It is one of the hilltop, and the valley view from this top, right, it's really amazing. This is the time for sunset, so without any delay we will capture the panoramic view through our drone. So let's enjoy that. After that we will meet, okay? Hope you like the aerial clip, guys, and as well as all the places which I visited today. If you liked, don't forget to press the like button, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, because tomorrow also we are visiting another place, basically waterfall, and we also will go for a picnic, and that blog will come next week. So yeah, you need to subscribe if you are new to this channel. So till then, take care, stay safe, bye bye.